find the number of polynomials of the form x cube plus ax square plus bx plus c that are divisible by x square plus 1 where a comma b comma c belongs to 1 to 10. This is the question. Solution. So this is the polynomial, that is x cube plus ax square plus bx plus c. So this is the polynomial, and the condition is what here, this is divisible by x square plus 1 is given. This is divisible by x square plus 1, and here a b c belongs to what, 1 to 10, natural numbers from 1 to 10. So now find the number of polynomials is the question. So divide this cubic x square plus 1, then here what you get, this is x, then here you will have x cube plus 1 into x, here minus this cancel, here what you get, ax square plus b minus 1 into x plus b minus 1 into x plus c. Again here plus, then what you get, ax square plus 1 into a plus a, now you subtract, then minus, these two things gets cancelled, then what you get here, b minus 1 times x plus c minus a, So here and in question it is given that this polynomial is divisible by this x square plus 1. Divisible by means what you get, remainder is 0. If this polynomial is divisible by, exactly divisible by means remainder is equals to 0. Remainder is equals to, when remainders become 0, this must become 0 and this b minus 1 must become 0 simultaneously. Therefore b minus 1 is equals to 0, and at the same time c minus a equal to 0, and at the same time c minus a is equals to 0. That is, b is constant, therefore b is equals to 1, b takes only one value, and c is equals to a and c are same. Then polynomial becomes what, b is equal to 1. Now with these values, that b is equal to 1 and c is equal to a, our polynomial becomes ax cube plus x cube. The polynomial is what, x cube, or polynomial is x cube plus ax square, a itself, ax square plus bx, b is what, 1, that is x plus c is nothing but a, because a and a both are same, therefore c is nothing but a. So now our polynomial contains how many parameters? Only one parameter, that is a, because b is constant, only one parameter. Therefore how many polynomials are possible, means how many a values are possible. The number of a values are nothing but the number of polynomials. Therefore a belongs to what, 1 to 10. Therefore how many a values are there? 10 a values. Therefore how many polynomials are possible? 10 polynomials are possible. Hence 10 polynomials are possible. So this is the solution for question number 1.